Obadiah's, and today I am here to unpack with you guys. This is the Drolet Bistro cook stove. So by popular demand and request, I have had so many requests for this video, and I am super excited to bring you guys this stove today. So it literally just arrived. I'm gonna get it installed here in a few days, but I just wanted to show you guys how the stove comes packaged so you know what to expect when it arrives. So up top here we have our baking oven, and located down below we do have the firebox here. I like this style when the baking oven is located above the firebox as far as the stacked model goes. So inside the box, or inside your baking oven, you open it up, you got a box in here. And inside the box, what's in here? They give you some nice pieces of soapstone here. Alright, so inside your baking oven is going to be your 2 pieces of soapstone here. They have little cutouts for the edges. Your oven rack comes with cardboard. This particular oven has 2 levels to it as far as the rack goes, but it does come with just 1 single oven rack. So if you wanted to do 2 separate things, then you would want to request maybe another oven rack, but there really isn't much space. So unless you were doing maybe like a cookie sheet, that would really be the only thing that you would want to order that second oven rack for. Inside the firebox, we're going to start unpacking that. This is going to be your ash lip here for the front of the stove. They do give you a Flue collar adapter. Silica packets inside the stove to keep it from getting rusty. And then this is going to be your ash pan, as well as a nice little cleaning brush. So that's where your items are going to be packed inside the stove. You want to just check out the front. Sometimes your bricks will shift around during shipping. So most of them, they should come like pre-installed. But if they shift during shipping, then you want to make sure that you fix that. So like here, my fire brick was actually laying on the ground, so I'm going to go ahead and install that there. So yeah, overall it's pretty simple here. The cast iron Flue collar also comes inside the box, which I already have pre-attached to the stove on the top. This is going to be your cleaning brush. The way that the heat flows around the oven is going to be across the bottom, up the side, over the top, and up and out the flue stack. So sometimes if you're burning wet wood, green wood, excess paper, bark, any of those items are going to be smokier and can cause creosote buildup or fly ash buildup around the oven, so that's what this tool is for. Ideally, if you're not burning any of those items and you're burning like just good dry quality wood, then you really shouldn't have to clean out your oven that often. So just keep that in mind. These little soapstone plates that I'm showing with the stove, these are not a standard item. These are going to be an optional. They're basically just soapstone cooking plates for the top surface of the stove. They were included with this by SBI, so I'm excited to use these when I do the cooking videos, so watch out for those videos coming soon as well. So this was the overview of what comes with your Bistro wood cook stove by Drolet. I hope that you guys found this overview helpful. If you like my videos, don't forget, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to please click that subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.